Before viewing this section on turret trucks, you must first watch sections 1 through 5 of this video. This part of the operator training program deals with the narrow aisle equipment classified as turret trucks. Please remember that there can be significant differences between different brands of turret trucks in the way their controls operate, the layout of the operator's compartment, as well as other features. That's why it is extremely important for you to read and fully understand the operation and maintenance manual that comes with your truck. Also, you must fully understand all of the warning plates and decals on your vehicle. In this program, we'll cover a description of the turret truck and its uses, turret truck components and controls, and general guidelines for operating these trucks. General rules of the road for operating lift trucks are covered in Section 4 of this video. Be sure that you know and follow those general rules. Remember, a professional knows their machine and the rules and respects them. That's what safety is all about. All turret trucks are powered by industrial batteries. These trucks typically have either a 48 or 80 volt electrical system. Turret trucks, also known as systems trucks, come in two different configurations, man up and man down. With man down turret trucks, the operator stays at the ground level while the mast and forks are raised to retrieve and store full pallets. With man up turret trucks, the operator travels in the operator's compartment to different heights to retrieve and store full pallets or to pick stock. Some turret trucks are capable of working at heights over 50 feet off the ground. Most machines automatically reduce speed as the operator compartment is elevated. This safety feature is designed to protect the operator when working at very high heights. Read your operation and maintenance manual for the performance characteristics of your truck. Turret trucks operate in very narrow aisles and work parallel to racks, compared to sit-down counterbalance machines that work perpendicular to racks and stack materials at right angles. With man-down turret trucks, the operator is fully responsible for controlling the steering of the truck. In an aisle, the operator must stay close enough to the rack to be within easy reach of the product, but not so close as to hit the rack or any overhanging materials. Some trucks may be equipped with rail or wire guidance in the aisles to control the steering, which may reduce injury to the operator and damage to product and building structures. With man-up turret trucks, the operator is fully responsible for controlling the steering of the truck only when they are not operating in an aisle. However, when these trucks operate in aisles, they must use either rail or wire guidance to allow for proper alignment of the truck. Turret trucks are designed exclusively for indoor use on smooth, concrete surfaces. These trucks have a low underclearance. They should never be used on asphalt, ramps, or inclines of any sort, nor should they be used on dock boards, plates, or any type of dock equipment or in trailers, containers, rail cars, or elevators. Never use the structure of the vehicle as a ladder, and never use the truck as an elevator, nor as a maintenance platform. For maintenance, always use an improved platform, built in accordance with federal OSHA regulations. Now let's move to the major components of a turret truck. The chassis portion of the truck includes the battery compartment and major system components such as the drive, hydraulic, and electrical systems, as well as the brakes. Turret trucks have a large drive tire that steers the truck and provides mobility. Load wheels at the end of the base legs provide stability. Man-up turret trucks are equipped with two masts, a main mast and an auxiliary mast. The main mast supports the operator compartment, auxiliary mast and forks, and guides their vertical travel during lifting and lowering. Lift cylinders provide the hydraulic power to raise and lower the mast. The auxiliary mast moves up and down to assure the pallet is at a comfortable height for the operator when order picking. It can also allow you to reach additional racking levels after the main mast has been fully extended. The traverse rack allows the auxiliary mast and forks to cross the width of the truck, as well as change direction so that operators can access loads on either side of the truck. An overhead guard is designed to help protect the operator from falling objects. Man-up turret trucks are equipped with a mast-mounted glass shield between the operator's compartment and the main mast to reduce the risk of the operator reaching into the mast mechanism. Most turret trucks have side gates on either side of the operator's compartment. They're raised to enter or exit the truck, then lowered before operating the vehicle. These side gates may be equipped with limit switches that may prevent the truck from being driven while in the raised position. Read your operation and maintenance manual for the performance of your truck. Man-up turret trucks may also be equipped with a front barrier. The barrier is high enough to keep the operator secure within the operator compartment, but low enough that the operator can access the pallet for order picking. A personal fall protection system may be required for your truck. Please refer to the operation and maintenance manual for the guidelines pertaining to your truck. The control console includes various indicators and displays. It also provides operation of truck movement, whether it be traveling, lifting, lowering, or traversing. Read your operation and maintenance manual for descriptions of indicators and displays, as well as for information on the operation of the control console. On the control console, you'll also see an emergency power off knob. This knob allows the operator to disable travel and lift systems in case of an emergency. The steering wheel maneuvers the truck. When the truck is traveling forks first, it is moving in the forward direction. When the truck is traveling chassis first, it is moving in the reverse direction. On the floor of the operator's compartment is the operator presence pedal. By depressing this pedal, you release the brake, enable the travel system, and activate the hydraulics. When you release the pedal, the brake is applied, and the travel system and hydraulics are disabled. When you operate your turret truck, always keep only 1 foot on the operator presence pedal. Always apply the brakes smoothly to maintain vehicle stability. Keep the load secure and avoid sudden stops. An additional safety feature on turret trucks is the emergency lowering control valve. This allows personnel on the ground to lower the operator compartment in case of an emergency where the truck or operator becomes disabled. All employees at your facility should know where this valve is and how to use it. These trucks also offer a method of emergency descent to the ground if the operator compartment ever becomes stuck in an elevated position while the forks are still inserted in a rack. A rope, safety harness, and associated equipment for carrying out an emergency descent are kept under the operator's seat. Again, the components on your vehicle and their function may vary from what you've seen, so you must read and fully understand the operation and maintenance manual for your particular turret truck. Prior to operating your turret truck, you must complete the pre-operational inspection at the beginning of your shift. Routines for completing the inspection are in Section 3 of this program. For the general rules of the road when traveling and parking your turret truck, refer to Section 4 of this video and your workbook. Here are some specific rules for traveling and operating a turret truck. Never overload your truck. Check the capacity plate of your vehicle to determine the maximum weight your truck can lift. Avoid making sudden stops or changes in direction. Be extremely careful of objects protruding from racks, shelves, or walls. Be extremely careful when operating the truck with the operator compartment in the air. Remember, as you raise the operator compartment, the center of gravity moves up, affecting the stability of the vehicle. Never step out of the operator compartment to reach into a rack. Plan your pick routes so there is efficient order or sequence that will eliminate unnecessary traveling and lifting. This is the end of Section 10 and the end of this training program. Please complete the exercises for Section 10 in your workbook. Please use the information from this program for future reference. The producers of this training program would like to thank you for watching and wish you a safe and successful future.